वेलकम टू मनी मैटर्स टॉक्स। माय नेम इज़ गौतम। मैं आज की शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा बाय विशिंग ऑल ऑफ यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दशहरा। As we celebrate Dasera, it is a good time to cut all the bad habits that have weakened your investment portfolio. And it's also a great time to understand and follow certain good habits, financial habits as we call them, for your wealth creation and to achieve your financial goals. मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा 5 ऐसे गुड फाइनेंशियल हैबिट्स इन डिटेल विच आर ग्रेट एंड ईजी टू फॉलो। लेट्स लुक एट देम। फर्स्ट इज रिव्यू योर इंश्योरेंस। मैं ये वीडियो 2020 में बना रहा हूँ और अभी पैंडमिक की सिचुएशन है एंड एवरीवन इज टेंस्ड अबाउट कोविड-19। मेडिकल and hospitalization expenses have gone up tremendously. इसीलिए मैं आज सभी को ये कहना चाहूँगा that please look at your mediclaim policies. Review your mediclaim policies. If your policies are below 3 lakhs, increase them to at least 10 lakhs per person in your family. In the same way, also look at your life insurance policies. Your life insurance policies also need to increase. Second is provision for emergencies. Very very important for all. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Now trust me, that is not a right approach. Everyone needs to be ready for emergencies. There are a lot of basic rules that you can follow. The basic thumb rule is you need to have at least provision made for 6 months of your expenses to be ready for emergencies. Now, in the past, I have created a detailed video on how you should be prepared for emergencies. The link for which will be shared below. I request all of you to go through that link. The next important point is diversify your investments. हाँ, आज भी I see a lot of people who still invest their money in one option, जो हमारे हिसाब से बहुत रिस्की हो सकता है। डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज द की टू इन्वेस्टिंग एंड ऑल्सो टू अचीविंग योर गोल्स। ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप इसके लिए अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र के साथ ज़रूर सलाह मशवरा करें। Adopt to online. It's a time of social distancing. So why not with your insurance policies? Not a lot of us know that insurance policies are now issued or can be issued in an online format. मतलब आपको कोई physical policy आपके घर पे नहीं आएगी. All the policies will stay safe in your Demat account. This is the new normal and we need to adapt to this new normal. इसके आगे जाके बहुत ज़्यादा फायदे हैं और हाँ, ये बहुत सेफ भी है। The last most important habit is know where your money is. Well, I know all advisors and financial distributors are always there for you to provide you with all the reports related to your investments, may it be stocks or mutual funds. Now you need to develop a habit to look into your portfolio so you know exactly where your money is invested and what is highly beneficial to you all. To trust your advisor or your distributor to take the right decision. But if you always keep a check, then you will also be in line with the decisions that were taken for you. Start implementing and see the positive change. Until next Dasera. This is all that I would like to share with you in this episode of Money Matters Talks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon for notification. Until next time, thank you.